Welcome back. Last time I installed a new clutch and refreshed the transmission. This time I'll be installing the whole package back in the car. First off, I need to deal with the front subframe. It was covered in crud from all the years of oil leaks, and as always, I spent a while cleaning it up. I pulled off the stock engine mounts, which were clearly destroyed. I had to clear the way for the engine crane, so I removed the power steering system, and also to clean it. The front sway bar was also in the way, and of course there was no chance the end link was going to come off cleanly, so I cut it out. I did some engine bay prep before the motor goes in. All the crud got vacuumed up and I applied some rust converter to the crusty bits. The headers need to stay clean, so I wet them down with some alcohol. I partially bolted in the front subframe and dropped the new engine mounts in place so I could test fit the engine. This didn't go very well. Shockingly, the cheap eBay headers didn't quite fit. The upper O2 sensor bung was sticking straight into the firewall and needs to be cut down. Thankfully, the whole bung was threaded, so I was able to cut it down and still insert the plug. The lower O2 sensors aren't needed since there are no more cats. Only the uppers are used for the fuel mixture. I rolled the engine back in, this time with the front subframe dropped. I then installed the subframe before dropping the engine down onto its mounts. In the rear, there are two more mounts to the cross brace that I installed. These weren't hard to line up thanks to the load leveler I had in the crane. It was easy to get it close enough, and then I just pushed the transmission around to the mounts lined up from underneath. The load leveler and crane got detached, and with that, the engine and transmission install is done. There's still plenty to do before the engine runs. I have to figure out how to get around the immobilizer doesn't exist anymore, and deal with all the wiring I cut up. As always, thanks for watching, feel free to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next part where all the wiring gets hooked up.